so much sleeker. Ooh, baby. Okay, so I wanted to make a couple videos with the Daytona because I feel like there's some YouTube videos on there. There's not many that really explain it well, get good shots and how to do stuff on it. So I really want to do that for the people that actually have a 675R. First thing I'm going to try to do on it is the Eliminator. So I'll get to that shit now and we'll see how it turns out. So this is how it looks with the tail right there. Now let's take it off. Now there's gonna be 4 bolts that we're gonna take off. It's just 1, 2, 3, and right in there, 4.
Inside my bones, I had to bust up the silence. All that I'm wishing for my friends. Break it.
What can I say? That's the way you want. That's the way you want.
Then you're gonna take out the wires, and then after you do that, you should be able to just pull out the tail out back. That's how you get it off. So next thing we're gonna do is take the wiring out and install the proper equipment that we're gonna need for that. It's really easy to do this. There's 1 screw right there and 1 screw right here. You need an L-tip to do this. So like this, or a star. You should be able to get that. You also have to take out 2 screws, one on the light, the other one on the other light, and then these 2 bolts. So the whole compartment comes out a lot easier.
I always had that dream. Cut that into pieces.
After you have it open, you're going to work with the wiring and check exactly how everything is connected and just install it into your aftermarket Eliminator. So yeah, you should be able to do this. So you have the wiring done and up. You should be able to use the same hardware you used for the stock one. And then just a very quick tip. The wiring is very simple. Just make sure you put black with black, and that's pretty much it. Everything else, obviously, if you put a black with black here, the other wire goes with this wire. Black with black here, the other wire goes with this wire. And then black and black here, and then the other wire goes with the wire. On this one, it was a red one, so red with yellow, black and black. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, and you should be able to just pop it back in. Alright, now that you have everything wired up, all you have to do is put it back in, position it right, and you should be good to go. Then put everything back together. Boom!
Baby, take control now. Play that music too loud. Don't need no reason. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my city. Welcome to my home.
Make it feel like
The good old days.
when we in our zone.
Welcome to my
Dreams like the reaction.
holding on to something
Inside my bones.
I had to bust up the silence.
Just make sure that your wires are correct by checking if your lights work properly. So let's see here. Perfect. The other side. There we go. Everything's good to go. Now you just put everything back together the same way you took it. So the 4 bolts, tighten them up, put the wiring in there nice and snug, and then put your seat back on and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's all we need to do for it. Other than that, the Eliminator's good to go, and it's set and forth for what it is right now. It looks a lot sleeker, so I would suggest doing this right away when you can. And this is the final view when it's done. So much sleeker. Ooh, baby.
It was a big, big world. I always had that dream.